Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to download the SourceTree application from the website into the Windows PC, and after that I will show you the way how to install it and do the configuration on the Windows PC. Okay, firstly open your web browser and access into the SourceTreeApp.com website. And here on this website you can see we have the version available to download for Windows and also the Mac OS X. For now, I'm using the Windows, so I download the Windows version for this one by clicking on the download for Windows button in blue. Okay, so after that, it will automatically download it to my PC here. You can see at the end of the page, it downloading. Okay, so now click on this one for install. Okay, the new version of Sochi is installing very quickly. Okay, cool. So now after you install successfully on your Windows PC, you click on the tool and select the option. Here you can enter some the information for the user. I will enter it in okay. So this one another account. I will save it. Okay, you can see here we have a notification to update the new version of the Sachi. Okay, I will update it. It will take a while to get the file from the internet and install it on the PC as well. The older version of the Sachi, so it will take many steps to do installation. However, the new version it is very good here. You click on Restart Now button to restart the Sachi. I'm using another PC for install the Sachi on this PC because in the current PC I'm using it, I will install it before a long time ago. Okay, cool. So let's see. Okay. So now I will back to my PC here. I will copy the repository we have done. I back to this one again. Click on clone. Add this one here. It's checking. Okay, so here we have to enter the credential to access into the Bitbucket. So I have to provide my email account here. Okay, button. Cool. So we will enter the correct information of the Bitbucket account. So it will display the repository type here. It is this is a Git repository. Okay, let it by default here. I will click on clone button. Okay, so after that it will get all of the shortcode from the master into the Windows PC. Yeah, we have a lot of branches here, and for now after you download after you clone the shortcode from the Bitbucket, it only check out the shortcode for master brand on your PC. So we want to check out another brand on your PC, so you have to select it here. For example, the develop, double click and check out. Okay, so now open working copy, open this one here. You can see this one is the shortcode of this repository had been downloaded to your PC already. Matter. Okay, so now I will back to the develop here. Double click. I will open the working copy. I will try to add another file here. I will call it E. Copy this one first. I will name it E as a account commit code. Okay, this is my other account. Okay, cool. Back to this one. Yeah. So now you can see here I'm using the email etienviet248@gmail.com, and I will open the SourceTree on my PC here. Okay. You can see here my account is the chien.viet@gmail.com. Okay, another one. Cool. So now add the comment. Uh, the code is the first time. Okay, put commit. Cool. So now after you commit the new change here, I will back to my main PC and I open the develop branch. Okay. Get back to this one. Let's see. In the first time. Basically, it will take a while to get the new file. So if you click on put here to get the new update from the server to the PC, so it will have new change. Okay, you can see here we have a new other account commit the code in the first time, which we were done in the another PC with another account in Tianfu 248. Okay, cool. And now I will open the shortcode here. Yes, other account commit code. So now if you switch to the master here, you didn't see this file. Okay, cool. So you want to see the file, the new file in the master here. So you have to merge the code from develop branch into the master as well. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to download the SourceTree from the website, and after that you install it on your PC. And also you know how to do the configuration for the first time using it on the PC. And you also know how to commit the code from the another PC to the Bitbucket. So after that, another PC will pull the data from the server to the PC for using or continue coding or something like that. Okay, so I hope this helped, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye, I'll talk to you later.